Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Going to show you how to change the auto power off time. I think by default it's set to 15 minutes, and you can also see it says here, set how long your GoPro must be in idle before it turns off. Again, I think the default is in 15 minutes. Anyway, you can change it from 5 minutes all the way down to never. And let me show you how to navigate here. It's very, very simple. So first thing is you just want to go to your preferences. And how you get there is from the camera mode here, just swipe from the top down, right here, top down, go to preferences. Then you want to go to general, and then you want to scroll down to where it says auto power off. Tap on that, and there you go, 5 to 15 minutes. And set it to whatever you like. I'll put it on 5 minutes right there. And there we go. You're ready to rock and roll. Any questions or anything? Just comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.